Scenario 1. Request for assistance.
Good morning.
Good morning, Saul. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need some help, please. I don't speak English well. Can you speak slowly and clearly?
Of course, I can speak slowly. What do you need help with?
I need some sheets of paper to make corrections to my AutoCAD plans.
Sure, here are some sheets of paper. Anything else?
Yes, I need to reprint my files. Can you help me with the printer?
No problem. I'll show you how to do it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let's go to the printer.
Thank you for your help.
No problem, Saul. Have a great day.
You too, thanks. Goodbye.
A few moments later.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I assist you?
Hi, can I get the sheets I brought earlier? I need to make corrections.
Of course, let me find them for you.
Thank you. Also, can you help me? I don't speak English well. Can you speak slower, please?
Sure, I can speak slower. What do you need help with?
I need to correct these measurements and labels on my plans.
I understand. Here are your sheets. Let's work on the corrections.
Thank you. Excuse me, I have to take this call.
No problem.
I'm sorry, I've got to go. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Vocabulary and key phrases.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I don't speak English very well.
I don't speak English very well.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you help me with?
Can you help me with?
Sheet of paper.
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 Make corrections.
Make corrections.
Reprint my files.
Reprint my files.
Reprint my files.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I got to go.
I got to go.
I got to go.
Es una forma muy común e informal de decir.
I have to go.
En inglés estadounidense.
Can you speak slowly, please?
Es más común y correcto que.
Can you speak slower, please?
Estos escenarios y notas te ayudarán a familiarizarte con la forma en que los angloparlantes se comunican y a manejar situaciones comunes en tu trabajo. Practica estas frases y no dudes en pedirme más ejemplos si los necesitas.